My dear students, we have different schools, different choices, how to develop better strategies. We have looked at the learning school, we have learned about the positioning strategies. Now, after planning, remember those 4 functions of management: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling? American scholars especially start looking into that why these Japanese companies are taking over our products, taking over our markets. Naturally, it will affect the economics. So there is a rethinking about the organization structure. Should there be a long and top hierarchy, or should there be a lean structure? This challenge, of course, coming from Japan to the American companies. So the American scholars like Tom Peters and Robert Waterman, they came up and suggested a 7S framework. We will learn about that in detail. And they went on to suggest that there should be a program of radical transformation within the levels of organization. They were asking that the companies should be decentralized. दूसरों को डिसीजन मेकिंग के अंदर इन्वॉल्व कीजिए, उनको राइट दीजिए. There should be much more emphasis on coordination rather than controlling. Why? Because you can control my body, but you can't control my mind. Workers, if I decide not to give you the quality product out of the process, out of the production, I will look busy. I will not give you the quality product. So coordination means you coordinate with employees, you coordinate with the resources, you coordinate with customers, you coordinate with process. So there are various angles which must be coordinated. One department should coordinate with the other. Marketing department, sales department should talk to the design department. Give them feedback. What changes should be brought into the product? So in other words, the managers and the leaders of the company should learn not through disciplining the people, not through giving them orders, but lead them through motivation. Lead them through inspiring. Lead them through example, rather than disciplining them. And these scholars, who are scholars of change, who were scholars asking companies, American companies, not to become arrogant. Think about it. Otherwise, you will be out of business. So they asked to delayering and stripping out those tiers of management which are liability, in order to achieve lean structure, flatter hierarchy, so that the communication between one level to the second to the third should be smooth and better. And companies should come up with a kind of structure and a kind of system which should be more efficient and more effective. And this principle, of course, asks the companies to rethink about their organizations and about their internal structure and layering. Thank you.